My name is Rajesh Hegde and I am a faculty with Electrical Engineering Department at Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Uh, Primarily, we are looking at broadband connectivity and services that can be deployed on broadband connections. So, although we realize that broadband connectivity in terms of NOFN is very important, uh, it's also important that we focus on 3G, 4G services, which actually bring services that we develop to the cell phone. So, our major focus has been on developing applications on broadband connections for the cell phone. So, there is a lot of thing going on in this space. Primarily, the government is focused on giving connectivity to all villages via NOFN. They also seem to have an inclination to push through broadband services on the cell phone, which is really good for the rural population, because what this will lead to actually is it will lead to development of newer applications or services that will then work or start running on the broadband connections. Because what we have seen usually is that it is not the connectivity that is only important, but whether people use that connectivity in some way in the rural areas. I am speaking on rural areas because our primary focus is on seeing whether we can develop applications for rural masses, and that can happen only if you have meaningful applications which are deployed on affordable broadband connectivity. So, for example, we at IIT Kanpur are working on a service called Digital Mandi, which essentially gives prices of crops to the farmers. We have this kind of we have put together a team where we develop technology and BSNL provides the service to the farmer. We are also supported by the Ministry of Agriculture and TCOE and the state governments, where the service has actually reached the farmers and the farmers have actually started using it. So, there are certain issues like after giving broadband connectivity, you will also look at things like how do you develop business models so that the service which are put on broadband services or broadband connections actually reach the people. So, one important thing which we do not have as of now is how one can develop business models so that the product reaches the user and reaches the user in such a way that the user is able to pay for the service gradually, if not right away, but gradually. So, these are some of the issues that we are looking at from our end with respect to broadband services and issues related to this.
Now, how do you look at some of the possibilities that are there today, especially in the backdrop of Digital India and Make in India initiative?
In fact, we feel I'll give an academic perspective because I am from the academia and we also develop applications. From our perspective, I think Digital India is an excellent idea because the most important part that it might eliminate, what we see from our end, is that it could probably get rid of corruption. Now, the reason why I say this is anything that is digitized or anything that is delivered via an electronic system can bring in accountability. So, you have records for what you did, when you applied for a service, when you got the service. So, this might essentially bring in some amount of accountability in the system, which is very much required from what we see. And probably, so from this viewpoint, we feel that it's an excellent idea to make sure that all of us are digitally connected, including urban and rural areas.